Let's look at present perfect tense. Do you know when we use present perfect tense? We use the present perfect to talk about the result, which you have now. To talk about a personal experience or change. To talk about an action that happened at an unstated time in the past. To talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to the present. For example, I have bought a car. He has won 45 games. They have never been to London. I have lived here for 12 years. Look, she has bought a car. He has won a game. I have never been to London. He has lived in this town for 55 years. To form positive sentences we use have for I, you, we, you, they, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. We use has for he, she, it, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. Let's take the verb to cook. I have cooked. You have cooked. We have cooked. You have cooked. They have cooked. He has cooked. She has cooked. It has cooked. He has cooked fish. Enjoy your meal. To form negative sentences we use haven't. For I, you, we, you, they, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. And hasn't. For he, she, it, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. Let's take the verb to break. I haven't broken. You haven't broken. We haven't broken. You haven't broken. They haven't broken. He hasn't broken. She hasn't broken. It hasn't broken. Sorry, I haven't broken this cup. To form questions we use have before I, you, we, you, they, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. And has before he, she, it, and verb with ed ending or the third form of irregular verbs. Let's take the verb to try. Have I ever tried? Have you ever tried? Have we ever tried? Have you ever tried? Have they ever tried? Has he ever tried? Has she ever tried? Has it ever tried? To form short positive answers, we use have for I, you, we, you, they, and has for he, she, it. For example, yes, I have. Yes, you have. Yes, we have. Yes, you have. Yes, they have. Yes, he has. Yes, she has. Yes, it has. Have you ever tried any sushi? Yes, we have. Yummy. To form short negative answers, we use haven't for I, you, we, you, they, and hasn't for he, she, it. For example, no, I haven't. No, you haven't. No, we haven't. No, you haven't. No, they haven't. And no, he hasn't. No, she hasn't. No, it hasn't. Have you ever tried any sushi? No, I haven't. Watch a short story and pay attention on using present perfect tense.
The children are preparing a charity sleepover with their teacher. You've done a great job today, everyone. Let's just check that everything is ready for tonight.
I've sold all the tickets and collected the money, miss.
I've chosen some DVDs for tonight, miss.
And I've made some popcorn for us all.
I've brought a jar of beans for the Guess How Many Beans game. It's 10p a guess.
They are in the school hall.
Look, miss. Daisy and I have prepared the school hall for the girls.
And Jake and I have cleaned the gym ready for the boys.
And we've set up the barbecue for tonight. Hot dogs for dinner. Yum!
We've even brought all the food and drinks for breakfast tomorrow. Come and see.
In the dining room.
And Liam has laid all the tables.
They look lovely. Great job, Liam. Oh, where's Liam?
Look, he's over here. He's sleeping.
Poor Liam. He's worked really hard all day. Wake up, Liam. The sleepover hasn't started yet.